some cooks for $5, y'all. This one I like this one the most, y'all. Y'all know I love my pink. That one. Got this one. Not that I need a cook, but I like them. And I got this one. More like red. Then I used to have one of these. My mama had brought me and my sister one of these, y'all. The little, what is it called? Color changing cups. Yep. I got this one too. Oh, they don't close good, y'all. Oh, there you go. This is alright. We got a few on. Green. And we got blue. What we got? Y'all got some. We here waiting on the nail shop to open up. So we just gonna look at the cups, you know. Look at this one, y'all. Walmart do got some cute cups. I just don't know if I'm ready to pay that for it. I don't know, y'all. They cute though. Got this one. Y'all better go look in y'all Walmarts if y'all, you know, y'all like to spend it. What's the point of this? Oh, I guess when you take the straw out. This one cute too. I got a lot of them. A lot of cute ones. Real cutesy up in here. I just want to know why y'all started saying it. It's kind of insane to me. But whatever. Right here. I'm so glad Walmart ain't got their music playing this time. Because normally when I come here, I can't record because they got all that copyright in the back. But y'all, if y'all had these tasty pots or y'all done used them before, comment down below. Because I want to try them out. But I don't want no regular pots. To look it up, y'all, because they $50 and it's the pink ones. Look, it's the pink ones, y'all. I look dark over here, can't really see. But anywho, y'all, so yeah, comment down below if you have some tasty pies or used them before or whatever, because I don't want to waste no money. But they are on sale for $50. All right. Is this Osby, Texas? Yeah. How much do you pay for that TV? So do y'all like candles? Or are y'all the candle warmer? Not candle warmer. What's the crap called? Are y'all candle girlies or the wax melt girlies? Let me know. Cause I think I'm both. I like both, y'all. My bad, y'all. We trying to figure out this TV stuff. Our big TV been out for the longest, and Osby finally did like the claim on it or whatever. So they supposed to be sending us a refund because they said we can't send it back in and get it fixed or whatever. I think this is the one Osby said she ain't really like though. Blackberry apple. For me, definitely this. Always. Y'all love the bourbon pecan. Y'all say pecan or pecan? If you say pecan, I ain't gonna block you, and then I just want you to say pecan, okay? Because the pie don't pee. The pecan don't pee. Y'all get it? Alright. Caramel. I feel like I had this one. Y'all had this one? I mean, fruity, the fruity smells too. This one, candy treats. I mean, crispy treats. Candy treats is insane. Crispy treats. Yeah, I like that one. You know what would be so crazy to me? How they put stuff in high demand, and then later on they just keep having all of it. Like it just was gonna be more. Do that make sense? They had y'all running to get them PS5s. And I'm standing in Walmart right now and I see 1, 2, 3, 4 PS5s. And then I see 3 of them with the digital edition. Y'all did all that for what? It's crazy to me. But anyways, I said, I don't know. For all my gamers, would you rather get a PS5 or get a PC? Which one would you do? Comment down below. Like, what my girl is that play video games? Because I'm a gamer, right? But my baby, she don't play games. I gave her my controller the other day to play because I was on 2K. Because I had to unlock the door for my niece. She told me, hurry up, I don't know what to do. I forgot how to press something, she said. Oh, how to shoot. She said, I forgot how to shoot on the game. I'm like, bruh. It was funny, yeah. Look at the boogie. Empty, see, just how we like it. Y'all, I got the loudest boogie in the store. I ain't playing. Anywho, so, y'all use this on y'all clothes? If not, y'all need to get it, okay? Y'all need to get that. Now, today, we might get the little bit one and then come back and get the big one. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But so that's the one I used to. My grandma put me on with this, and my auntie put her on because this was like when COVID first started, and my auntie, she worked at the rehab or whatever, so she started washing her clothes with this or whatever. Like she take clothes off soon as she got home, we wash them. But this one right here is even better than that. So yeah, if you haven't been using this, go on use it, y'all. Somebody had one of these shoes, right? They just some little house shoes, little slippers, and I would say indoor outdoor sold on them. But us, we don't do that. You need to spray your shoes if you're gonna wear them inside and outside. I'm sold. But anyways, she was gonna get them at first when they first went on sale, and they was $11. See, they got the 2 little stickers on there. Y'all, now they $3. Cause baby, one thing we're gonna do is find a steal. Okay, we're gonna find a good old steal now. And I think that's all I really needed out of here, y'all. Cause I had got a big thing of what you call it last time. So I think this. Oh no, the plugins. Even though baby told me to wait, but I really need that. Y'all, I can't stay on the house running out of plugins. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, it bothers me really bad. But they got, sick. I bet this smells nice. Yeah, why I can't smell it? I need a preview before I buy it now. Sea salt, caramel, and maple. I bet this smells delicioso. And I can't stand. If you come to my house and you unplug my plug-in to plug your charger up, cause it's nothing better than coming in your house and like soon as you open that door and that smell, the aroma just hit your nose. Like, ooh, that's my favorite, y'all. And I love for people to be like, oh, your house smell good. What's that? Because let me tell you what it is, honey. And I get that from my mama, too, because, like, I kid you not, 9 times out of 10, when you go over my mama and them house, like, you instantly gonna smell something. Like, it's gonna always smell good, whether it's her food that's cooking or her plugins that she get. And when I tell you, it be smelling so good. See, people be worried about it's cold. I'm like, what the plugins is? Cause I wanna use it. Anyway, y'all. So I'm gonna get this. And then I will come back with Osby and let her pick out what we're gonna do. Oh wait. I don't know, y'all, it smell good, but it ain't strong enough to me. Right? It ain't strong enough, y'all. Let me say it. I need something strong. I like the strong things, like for the weather. Hi.Itsshy vanilla. This. Not bad. They pulling out all the little fall scents, y'all. Look. All right now. Sound like somebody wasting something. I thought so. I ain't never paid attention to this one though, y'all. See, my favorite one to get is the game though. I don't really get the linen. Cause basically she don't feel like it's strong enough for the house. So yeah, the game is what works for us. And it's actually the game, which one? Game original? Yeah. Game original, and then I think it's the Moonlight Breeze too. I can't remember. Cause we tried some other ones and they weren't strong enough. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I kinda lied a little bit. So I don't think I'm gonna get my toes done at Walmart. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm gonna go to the place where I actually go and get my eyebrows done. Because I do need them done, but I could wait. Y'all. But I kind of don't want to. Because it's about time for them to get done. I got to get that little piece of hair right there. Y'all remember me telling y'all about that hair? And keep in mind, every time I get my eyebrows done, they take it off. But I mean, it ain't no point because it come right back on there. Like, literally. The hair come right back. But I'm going to tell them, y'all can't really tell right now. But don't take away all my eyebrows now. There we go. Because I don't like for all my eyebrows to be gone. You get what I'm saying? Like, put my little arch back in there. 1, 2. And don't make me I don't like it when it be thin, like, in there. You see how this one all thick and stuff? See, that's why I be waiting to get them done, because look at that one. That one extra thick. All the hair on there. And then you got this one. It look like it's holding on for dear life. Like, I mean, I see why they would make it thin on the end. But don't do me like that. I don't like thin eyebrows.
sweet for me when I don't blow.